Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to delete all archived posts on Facebook using your PC. If you've ever archived posts and now want to clean up your Facebook profile by deleting them completely, we've got you covered with the latest update. Let's walk through the process step by step. Step 1. The first thing you need to do is open Facebook on your PC. Go to the website and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Step 2. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Click on your profile photo to go to your Facebook profile. Step 3. After you click on your profile photo, you'll be taken to your profile page where all your posts and content are displayed. Step 4. Now, look for the 3 dots located next to your Edit Profile button. Click on the 3 dots to open a menu, and then choose the option that says Archive. Step 5. Once you're in your archive, you'll see different categories like your posts, stories, and more. To delete all archived posts, check the All option, which will select all the archived content at once. Step 6. Now click on the Recycle Bin option. This will move all your selected posts to the trash. You'll be prompted to confirm the action. Just click Confirm, and all your archived posts will be permanently deleted. And that's it. You've now successfully deleted all archived posts on Facebook. It's a great way to declutter your Facebook profile and keep only the content you want visible. If this tutorial helped, be sure to give us a like, leave a comment with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.